Come take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Work Truck Preferred Equipment Group, Summit White, windows, locks and mirrors, power, deletes remote keyless entry, dark titanium, vinyl, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine block heater, exhaust brake, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, power takeoff, engine control provisions, tires, LT 235/ADR17E all-season highway, black wall and the audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.